Hi, hello friends. In this video, we are going to see the chapter 1 Geography, India, Size and Location. Let's go. Content, Location, Size, India and the World, India's Neighbors. First, let's see about the introduction. India is one of the ancient civilizations in the world. It has achieved multifaceted socio-economic progress during the last 5 decades. It has moved forward, displaying remarkable progress in the field of agriculture, industry, technology, and overall economic development. India has also contributed significantly to the making of world history. This is the figure 1.1. Can you find the India in the world map from here? It's very easy, right? It's the yellow one. Let's see about location. India is a vast country lying entirely in the northern hemisphere, which we can see in the figure 1.1. The mainland extends between latitudes 8 degree 4 n, which is north, and 37 degree 6 n, and longitudes 68 degree 7 east and 97 degree 25 east. The Tropic of Cancer, which is 23 degree 30 n, divides the country into almost two equal parts to the southeast and the southwest of the mainland, which lies in the Andaman and Nicobar Islands and the Lakshadweep Islands in Bay of Bengal and the Arabian Sea respectively. I'll give you an activity, okay? Just find out the extent of these groups of islands from your atlas. Do you know the southernmost point of the Indian Union, which is Indra Point, got submerged under the seawater in 2004 during the tsunami? Now we are going to see the size. The landmass of India has an area of 3.28 million square kilometer. India's total area accounts for about 2.4% of the total geographical area of the world. From figure 1.2, we can clearly see that India is the 7th largest country of the world. India has a land boundary of about 15,200 km, and the total length of the coastline of the mainland, including Andaman and Nicobar and Lakshadweep, is 7,516.6 km. India is bounded by the Yangtze Mountains in the northwest, north and northeast. South of about 22 degree north latitude, it begins to taper and extends towards the Indian Ocean, dividing it into two seas, the Arabian Sea on the west and the Bay of Bengal on its east. Look at figure 1.3 and note that the latitudinal and longitudinal extent of the mainland is about 30 degrees. Despite this fact, the east-west extent appears to be smaller than the north-south extent. You can look at the figure 1.2. From Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh, there is a time lag of 2 hours. Hence, time along the standard meridian of India, which is 82 degree 30 east, which is passing through Mirzapur in Uttar Pradesh, is taken as the standard time for the whole country. The latitudinal extent influences the duration of day and night as one moves from south to north. In this figure 1.3, we can clearly see the first point. India and the world. The Indian landmass has a central location between the East and the West Asia. India is a southward extension of the Asian continent. The Trans-Indian Ocean routes, which connect to the countries of Europe in the west and the countries of East Asia, provide a strategic central location to India. Now that the Deccan Peninsula protrudes into the Indian Ocean, thus helping India to establish close contact with West Asia, Africa, and Europe from the western contact, and with Southeast and East Asia from the eastern coast. No other country has a long coastline on the Indian Ocean as India has, and indeed, indeed, it is India's eminent position in the Indian Ocean which justifies the naming of an ocean after it. Do you know, since the opening of the Suez Canal in 1869, India's distance from Europe has been reduced by 7,000 kilometers. In this figure 1.3, we can get some details. This is the figure 1.4, which shows the India on international highway of trade and commerce. India's contacts with the world have continued through ages, but her relationships through the land routes are much older than her maritime contacts. The various passes across the mountains in the north have provided passages to the ancient travelers, while the oceans restricted such interaction for a long time. These routes have contributed in the exchange of ideas and commodities since ancient times. The ideas of the Upanishads and the Ramayana, the stories of Panchatantra and the Indian numerals and the decimal system thus could reach many parts of the world. The spices, muslin, and other merchandise were taken from India to different countries. On the other hand, the influence of Greek sculpture and the architectural styles of Dumi and minarets from West Asia can be seen in different parts of our country. India's neighbors. India occupies an important strategic position in South Asia. India has 28 states and 8 union territories, which is shown in figure 1.5. India shares its land boundaries with Pakistan and Afghanistan in the northwest, China, which is Tibet, uh, Nepal and Bhutan in the north, and Myanmar and Bangladesh in the east. Our southern neighbors across the sea consist of the two island countries, namely, before 1947, there were two types of states in India, the provinces and the princely states. Provinces were ruled directly by British officials who were appointed by the viceroy. Princely states were ruled by local hereditary rulers who acknowledged the sovereignty in return for local autonomy. This is the figure 1.5, which shows India and adjacent countries. Sri Lanka and Maldives. Sri Lanka is separated from India by a narrow channel of sea formed by the Pal Strait and the Gulf of Mannar, while Maldives Islands are situated to the south of the Lakshadweep Islands. India had strong geographical and historical links with her neighbors. Look at the physical map of Asia in your atlas and note how India stands apart from the rest of Asia. School Bhuvan is a portal providing map-based learning to bring awareness from among the students about the country's natural resources. environment and their role in sustainable development. It is an initiative of Bhuvan, NRSC, ISRO, based on NCRT syllabus. You can explore various maps of India related to the secondary stage on the website. Thank you. I'll share the PPT. If you want, you can see the PPT. If you didn't understand about some concepts, please watch the video again, and I will share you a quiz on this chapter. And please try the quiz and see how much marks you get. Thank you for listening this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more videos.